from the sprouting of the seed till its decay. Everyone's life is full of struggle and failures. But a wise person is one who never lets failure defeat him. Hello once again. Today's topic is about failures and mistakes and how to learn from them. Our failures and mistakes haunt us in every step of life. They embarrass and demotivate us enough to distract us from our goals. But failures and mistakes should be taken as lessons rather than just a battle scar. First and foremost, you have to realize that success is not a one-day job. In order to get success, you will have to fail many times. Only those who try are the ones who fail, and those who fail are the ones who learn. It is said that mistakes are only mistakes when you don't learn from them. Every failure can be made into a life lesson, and they can be used by us to become wiser and be cautious in the future. Apart from ours, the people around us can also give us a lesson or two. We just have to be observant enough. Then you need to accept that it's completely normal to make mistakes. It doesn't mean you are failing. It just means that you are trying your best, and you need to keep trying until you succeed, no matter how weird you look. A little bird keeps flying no matter how strong the wind is, no matter how many times it fails. Get motivated by that bird and also from other people who have beaten their failures. If you enjoy reading, then you can go through biographies of some successful people. This way, you can find out that behind every successful person, there is a pile of failures and hard work. One thing which you will find in common in all those books is that all of those people knew what they wanted and nothing deviated them from their path. Distractions are like hurdles. You need to jump over them and run towards your goal. And no matter how many hurdles you face, never lose hope. They may be hard to cross, you will even fail sometimes, but they are not impossible to get through. You just need to keep trying. And while you keep trying, don't lose your hope or faith either. Life never gives you what we cannot do. There is always a solution if you look hard enough. Try to look through the fog of small failures and mistakes, and you will see what you really need to do. Even our heartbeats go down once in a while, so why can't we? Life and struggle go hand in hand. No one but you can solve the problems in your life. So just keep breathing and keep going. I hope this video motivates you. Keep watching for more. Like it, subscribe and share with others. Bye.